Now with him, womu tugum sanwa. Na ama opportunity for nietititi. Se omoton. Postings, omoton no.
Na atimi abam.
What I say? See it say bebre, ye fini bebre also omotonton.
Oh, and there.
Yes.
Claims in ba.
Enti omotugum sanwa. Na che say, wonya guaranteed. Wabomu na be kire wado. Enti at that time no, sika wutua no.
Yeah.
The inducement a guarantee will posting COVID.
And I say,
yes. I deliberate. For the highest bidder. It's because the posting it be 20,000.
It been so great.
15,000.
Omoya na kuku football bo.
What I say?
I say odi animo ayem pa say ya party fu bi nkofo you give room for that. Have opinions.
Because COVID our unemployment rate here come out 13.7 it's whatever 12.8 and only figures here when the unemployment rate go be no I didn't be how do I want to say the air cost and unemployment rate is so from 13.7 to 12.8 no way sadly way now what kind NASPA the buy no
yeah
me can say get Ghana for team in for bit more ding low hanging fruit
National Service Personnel Association
what I say low hanging fruits and then match say ya mrene ya nyano eno ne pe see e betena say rack your brain see e dwene bi hu pa de aboa mabunu na bro man yenye
it's not there
say akoda akasa awie school na wa wo se wo post no na onkohwe se ne nsa kan na ne nsa kan no wasa agye ne sika okoye so yesi masa onsa nka wo ti de nkode beto aduane adi sa day no waje ade adwumoden samso no makasa oman a enwene nchirima ho no oman no bre papa and I will continue to say that yemfa kwa adwendwene mu we wonim Ghana ha say senka e wo senka wo a memma say NDC ne waban ye NDC agitafo no ye na wo senka ne bre ye demonstration ti aban no sa aban no ma adwuma nye because ye na nka aban de beti ye sufre because obi from other side be ye na say ye be ka say opposition o mo ye nko ba bia but ye no ye wo party ni mu no ye na wo say ka say papa ye to abama o ye mabunu no ye to abama o say ni nti no ye say o ye ma ye but onye no ko kire ba bi no budget na ban so obi ka so ma ne nka
obedi watem
na aye wie na say unhu ne kon hu ni ti unhu de o ka no kre no o ka no kre eno na de be duru ha say
it's true
enti NASPA keke ono sika ye demand ato aduane adi yes won sanfa bi ensan so emra
national service for the ti wo musa
what I say the recruitment security
and anu ye koye
services recruitment of course forms are ye kan ho asem ya ka the NDC criticized the government the former government but they still buy them woman that so ton entimu hu mabunu bobo kakra the students are graduating every year from the tertiary institution between 150 and 200,000 because between 250,000 and 200,000 go be better than this they say bottom in between 150 and 200,000 graduates every year. Now, how many students in the next 10 years?
Too bad.
Yeah, what if you're near the figures, you play politics with figures. Yeah, employ MPP. You remember? As at the time, say it's 1 million, 1 million jobs. Now, this one, I'm not quite contention. Now, be the figures I went to. Enko be in your can say. But it is because we are not saying the truth. We are not telling ourselves the truth. Then you know, so born if I'm weighing.
Yeah.
And it's tough for a town, much you know. Yeah, was saying me and break.
We support nonsense.
Nonsense.
Yeah.
Bibi ade ba to bia na e bojo so na ye wevu na and it must be the case every day. Ye foul say brabe demonstration here about 20 cities. Ko dey ye wi na dampo out baby.
Yeah.
How? I mean, o man ye dru baby a enti be say ho say sense kai ya nkokon kitenkete ye de konkon kitenkete. I was asking senti president, wo de fa ye bibi factory bi kura na wo de fa nipa 10 pe na ye hu say president esi factory e fa nipa 10. Now the ayaya nkukwe yesi bi krampo na awie obi aba na introduce job for the boys na kodie stipends dem omo ebe wie chi no 2 years before the MPP left office yesi sika no nko na no so aye bibi just say basa are we not planning as a country? If you go to Korea no many are there they have people who plan almost them shut up employ big ways almost them
now 40-year development plan it's a combination of jiska.
Yes. They are paid. Allowances na omoje.
Dia no modune man.
Dia no de my o man no. Na nya won say ye wo CSIR. Ya omo e say omo mandate ne say omo nwene kwan e befa so a e no buy any sa ne manama no research. Omo nya mayen. But omo timi research into plants.
E beka dem.
Richards, almost say, yeah, or buying fanya pay. And one said, so I see what training.
Yeah,
the government does not use them. Even people from outside the country and they used to CSI for research findings. Why? What are we doing to ourselves as a country? What are we doing? President Mahama, we thought say reset no and Kasani men but please, you are failing us. Your Excellency, yes, sir. It looks like you are failing us. The reset is not resetting. Please, Papa.
But also Kwabra Nhyira 104.5. But let me speak to you.